we know for an absolute fact that during times of uncertainty, we start seeing the numbers move up and down and up and down and up and down. And with the stock market being way up today, we can take a look at what silver and gold are doing, and we can see that they're actually down. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing well, feeling great, and staying safe. Today, I wanted to talk about the spot price of silver and also gold falling today upon news related to the stock market, stimulus, and vaccine updates. But really quick, just in case you're new, make sure to subscribe for daily videos. Also subscribe to my second channel, which is my backup channel for exclusive weekly content. Brand new video over there. Go check it out. The link will be in the description. And if you want to get some DYDSS merchandise to help support the channel, I would really appreciate that. Any and all merch can be found by clicking the first link in the description section down below. Thank you in advance. It's more than appreciated. But today I wanted to talk about both silver and gold because the two precious metals took a bit of a hit today. They're both down. Silver is down over $1.50 from where it was. Gold is down over $80 from where it was. And this was upon quite a bit of news we got this morning. So I have a couple of things that I need to talk about first before we get fully into the precious metals, because I believe they are key factors and playing huge roles in affecting the spot price. So in really quick stock market news, we are way up today, green across the board, with the exception of tech stocks, who seem to have taken a little bit of a beating today. I'm looking at a lot. I'm seeing red, but so long as it's not a tech stock, it's way up. As we all know, the markets are incredibly quick to react to significant news, whether it be good news or bad news. So it's really no surprise to me to see an upward trend today upon the announcement that Pfizer and BioNTech's vaccine trial for the sickness has reached over 90% effectiveness, which is great news considering regular vaccines for other types of viruses are only 65 to 75% effective. They've studied 43,538 participants and found no serious safety concerns and are now a week and a half away from being on track to the vaccine getting an emergency use authorization from the FDA. I also want to point out that I was pleased to find out that Pfizer was the only front runner to not take government money to fund their research. Now, I know this all sounds fine and dandy. It's important to remember that we are not out of the woods yet. We still haven't gotten clarification or confirmation from the Supreme Court or really anybody who's supposed to be making the calls regarding the presidential election. So technically, I know all the mainstream media news outlets are saying, oh, this guy won, that guy lost, but it's not 100% guaranteed just yet. We don't know for absolute certain that we're going to have a new president, although it would appear that that's probably what the case is going to be. And if that is the case, Bloomberg reported just yesterday that potential 46 will strike a relief deal with McConnell if our current president does not during the lame duck session, and we could probably expect to see stimulus by late January, early February, if that's the case, or sooner if 45 can make it happen in the meantime. So, with all of that being said, regarding the stock market, regarding vaccine updates, regarding the confusing election and the kind of results, kind of not results, I believe these are playing a huge role in affecting the spot price of silver. We know for an absolute fact that during times of uncertainty, we start seeing the numbers move up and down and up and down and up and down. And with the stock market being way up today, we can take a look at what silver and gold are doing, and we can see that they're actually down. Silver, as I'm recording today's video, is down about $1.50 from where it was. And with that being the case, it's just about $24 even. It's a little over $24 an ounce right now. Earlier in the day when I checked, it was actually $23.90 something. Unfortunately, I didn't get a screenshot of that, but as I'm recording today's video, it's $24 and change. Gold, on the other hand, it's down over $80 from where it was, and it's currently sitting right around the 1860s range, which to me, in my opinion, and from my perspective, not a financial advisor, I'm a guy with a camera, I take that as good news. I'm happy to see the numbers go down because that means I will be able to get more. And hopefully the numbers stay down or go down even lower because I haven't gotten paid yet. And as soon as that direct deposit hits, I plan on getting me a little bit more silver and gold. That's what I plan on doing. And anybody who's familiar with my channel knows that I love seeing the numbers go down. I like seeing the downward trends. I love seeing the dips. I love seeing the pullbacks because that's typically when I try to dive in a little bit extra. Now, I don't sit around waiting for dips. I don't sit around waiting for pullbacks or for spot price to drop or for really anything to occur regarding what silver and gold are currently worth according to spot price. I don't wait for anything like that. I wait for my direct deposit to hit because I believe in consistency. I believe in stacking the silver, putting dollars in regardless of what spot price is doing, because I believe slow, steady, consistent steps in the right direction will eventually take you to where you want to go. I don't know many people who made much progress at all sitting around getting absolutely nothing done with their fingers crossed hoping for something to happen. I know way more people who have seen success and productivity by moving forward regardless of what the markets are doing. Not to say that if silver were to double, triple, quadruple in price, would I be pouring my dollar bills into that? Hopefully at that case, I would be trading a little bit of silver for a little bit of gold, assuming that the gold to silver ratio gap closed in a little bit, but that's besides the point. I am really looking forward to this week. I'm getting my direct deposit, and I hope to get a little bit of silver and gold. I've been saying for these last couple of days, these last couple of weeks actually, I've really had my eyes on a 10-ounce silver RCM bar, Royal Canadian Mint, beautiful silver bar, and I'm also trying to get myself another 10th ounce gold coin. Here, I'll put a few on screen so everyone can see exactly what I'm talking about. I'm working on my international troy ounce of gold, 30% of the way there. Once I finish, I'm probably going to rinse and repeat, but with 1/4 ounce instead of 10th ounce. Then once I do that, I'll probably rinse and repeat and work on the same thing, but with 1/2 ounce, which would probably be pretty easy because all it would take is 2 coins. I also, anybody who's familiar with my Precious Metals VIP club, which, by the way, I'll leave it linked in the description if anybody wants to join. I do privately held live streams, giveaways, discounts, personalized promo codes, shout-outs, deal alerts when silver and gold's on sale, and you can watch all the YouTube videos commercial-free. Link will be in the description. But anybody who has been tuning into my recent VIP live streams will know that I have really had my eye on a 1 troy ounce gold buffalo. It's something that I really have been wanting for about 3 years now. I'm personally not that big of a fan of gold in the 1 ounce increment. I love fractional gold. I understand the premium's a little bit higher. I consider it to be a security expense. Therefore, I'm perfectly okay with it. I find fractional gold easier to work with. You can liquidate if need be in a much more simple way. And I'm personally not comfortable packing a large amount of dollars into just one piece of metal. That's the same reason I don't get enormous silver bars. I keep it at 10 ounce max. Now, don't get me wrong. If I stumbled upon an opportunity to get my hands on, I don't know, a silver kilo bar or a 1 ounce gold bar or coin for an incredibly low fiat dollar bill price tag, I'm not going to turn my back on an opportunity. Absolutely not. It's just personal preference has kept me from going after the larger denominations of gold or the pieces of silver, anything above 10 ounces. I like the 1, 2, 5, 10 troy ounce increments of silver, and I love the 10th ounce, 1/4 ounce, 1/2 ounce increments of gold. Personal preference. You might not agree with me. I might not agree with you. We don't have to agree with each other. That's the good news. But moving forward, I'm very tempted to get a 1 troy ounce gold buffalo. It's something that I've been tempted to get for a very long time. Anybody who's been familiar with my channel for going on 3 years now knows that that is essentially the only 1 troy ounce gold coin that I would be happy to make an exception for. Or again, if I were to stumble upon a really good deal, if somebody was offering something to me below spot, maybe spot price doubled from the time that they picked it up, and they're going to offer it to me below spot because they're still making several hundreds of dollars regardless, I wouldn't turn my back on an opportunity. But I have really been eyeballing a gold buffalo. It's my favorite gold coin, and I don't even own one yet. That's how I know it's probably a gold coin I should pick up. But regardless, I will be picking up gold either way, whether it's a 1 troy ounce gold coin or whether it's another 1 or 2 or 3 10th ounce gold coins. I'm going to be picking up some gold either way. And I definitely plan on picking up some silver either way as well. Like I said, I really want that silver RCM bar. I want a lot of silver. And I'm noticing that a lot of different websites are offering discounts on 90% these last couple of days. Or today and late last week. I'm seeing a lot of websites have discounts on 90% junk constitutional silver. I've seen some Mercury dime sales. I've seen some random 90% silver coin sales. I've seen a lot of sales on 90%. And this year, starting 2020, I really started to appreciate 90% silver. I was never that big of a fan of it. I started stacking the very end of 2017. I went all of 2018 not really caring much for 90% silver. Just wasn't really for me. I didn't really like the look of it. It just didn't really excite me the way that silver eagles and maples and silver bars and whatnot do. Starting in 2019, I started to understand the importance of diversification. I respected the fact that it gave me a way of breaking a troy ounce if I absolutely needed to. But then 2020 happened. And this is what it woke me up to. The fact that it's not the time to be picky. 2020 smacked me in the face and basically told me, hey, get anything you can get your hands on for a low premium. And for pretty much the first half of 2020, we were able to get 90% silver for a relatively low premium. I know the premiums on everything were driven up this year, but on 90%, that was pretty much where you can get the most bang for your buck, at least from what I've seen. In my opinion and from my perspective, not a financial advisor. I'm a guy with a camera. But I had noticed that I could get quite a bit of 90% silver for a pretty fair premium, while the premiums on everything else were either a little bit higher or significantly higher. So for a couple of months, pretty much all I had stacked this year, 90% silver. I got quite a bit of 90% this year. And I don't regret it. I'm very happy that I did. Even though 90% isn't really anything that I was all that into throughout the entire year of 2018, really wasn't excited about it. 2019, I still wasn't excited about it, but I was stacking it anyway because I understood the importance. 2020, I really started to enjoy it. I've really started to love 90% junk constitutional silver. I find it fun now when I used to find it incredibly boring. Then again, I still find pure silver fun. 3 nines, 4 nines, whatever it is, coins, rounds, bars, doesn't matter to me. Like I said, 2020 woke me up to the fact that I should be stacking anything that I can get my hands on for a low premium. Because at the end of the day, silver is silver. And with silver being silver and gold being gold, and the spot price for both of the precious metals being down right now, I'm pretty excited. I hope they go lower. It'd be nice if they go lower. I went all last month not picking up anything. I've been holding off. Or at least the last 3 weeks. I've been holding off. As soon as that direct deposit hits, I'm going in. But I want you guys to head on down to the comments and let me know, with all of the news that came out today, with all of the updates, and also, by the way, for the record, lack of updates in certain areas as well, and we're seeing the stock market really begin to climb. We're seeing silver and gold fall down today. It's today. It's not in general. They just happen to be down today. What's going on today, what happened yesterday, what happens tomorrow, this is all the short term. It really doesn't matter in the grand scheme of things. But I'm incredibly curious, and I want everybody to head on down to the comments and let me know. Short-term speaking, what do you think or hope is going to happen next regarding the precious metals? And if anybody's interested in joining the Precious Metals VIP Club, it's where I can do things on my own terms, not on YouTube's terms, my terms. I'm hosting privately held live streams. They're smaller, easier to manage. I'm also doing giveaways, discounts, personalized promo codes, shout outs, deal alerts when silver and gold is on sale on a bunch of different websites. And of course, you can watch all of the YouTube videos commercial free. Come join the Precious Metals VIP Club. It'll be the first link in the description. You're invited. I'd be happy to have you. And if you guys enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button. If you guys like me, make sure to subscribe. New videos every single day, 365 days a year. Also subscribe to my second channel, which is my backup channel for exclusive weekly content. Brand new video over there. Go check it out. The link will be in the description. Trying really hard to hit 2,000 subscribers. We just hit 1,500, and I appreciate that. Brand new video dropping tonight. Keep your eyes peeled. And if you want to help support the channel in the biggest possible way, please consider getting yourself some DYDSS merchandise. Of course, we have some precious metal themed t-shirts and hoodies, which are up for grabs, along with a ton of other products, t-shirts, hoodies, even stickers, many of which are raising funds and awareness for different charity organizations, such as the recently released Kraken Stackin' t-shirt, hoodie, sticker, and coffee mug inspired by the beautiful 2-ounce silver Kraken coin, which, by the way, is helping us raise a little bit of funds and awareness for ocean cleanup charity organizations at no additional cost to you. It comes out of my pocket, not yours. Any and all merchandise can be found by clicking the first link in the description section down below. Thank you in advance. It's more than appreciated. And once again, I want everybody to head on down to the comments and let me know, what are your thoughts on silver and gold being down right now? Do you consider this good news because maybe that means that you can get more? Do you consider it bad news because you were hoping that it was going to go straight up? What are your thoughts on silver and gold reacting to some of the news, some of the updates, some of the lack of updates that we've received this morning and this afternoon regarding the stock market, regarding the vaccine effectiveness? Do you consider that to be good news? Do you think silver and gold is going down because of those reasons? Do you think it has anything to do with still a little bit of uncertainty, more so regarding the presidency and the stimulus topic still being talked about and still not happening as of yet? Head on down to the comments and let me know anything and everything related to today's video topic. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. And remember, don't you dare stop smiling. Peace.